everyone. Today I thought I would run through the Tai Chi for Health Institute's warm-up exercises. Each of the warm-up exercises focuses on a different part of our body so we can loosen up the joints, get them moving and preparing them for our Tai Chi practice. We're going to start at the neck, shoulders, work down the body to the feet and ankles. So let's get started. First of all, to start our warm-up exercises, we're just going to squeeze our hands in tight and stretch them out and just walk around the room or walk on the spot, just getting yourself mobile, getting yourself moving. Then we're going to start with our exercises. So feet hip width apart, and we're going to focus on the neck. So just tilting the heads forwards, stretching out the neck here, bringing the hands up and following them with our eye line. We're going to turn the hands in and push towards our chest here. So I'm stretching my neck up as I'm tucking my chin in. I'm going to follow my hands back out with my eye line and then tilt my head forward. So again, just stretching that neck out as I'm following my hands down. Lifting up, inhaling here, exhaling as I'm stretching the neck and pushing the chin towards my chest. Inhaling here and exhaling as I'm following the hands down. Let's do that again. Next, we're bringing the hands up. I'm bringing one hand to the tabletop, the other hand as if I'm holding a mirror and I'm looking in the mirror, focusing on my palm. We're going to turn the neck and follow the hand to the corner and then bringing it back. And then swapping those hands over, turning the neck, following it to the other side. Again, focus your effort, focus your mind on the neck, feeling it loosen off. And again, just do these within your own comfort zone. You can start this off small and then just move a little bit further each time as you feel yourself getting a bit more used to the movement. Moving on to our shoulders. So we're going to do shoulder rolls. Again, just keeping these within your own comfort zone. Really feeling the movement in your shoulders and feeling them loosen up, getting rid of any tension. Let's change direction. Gathering the chi, but keeping it a very small movement. Again, this is so that we can feel the shoulders, opening them up a little bit further each time, adding a small knee bend, pushing down. Moving on to the spine. We're going to hold a ball about the size of a football in front of us, and we're going to take the bottom hand. We're stretching that up to the ceiling, palm facing outwards towards the ceiling, and the other hand down as if we are pushing on a tabletop. Really feel that push and that stretch diagonally up and down the body through the spine. Bringing our hands back to our center, holding the ball, taking the opposite hand up. Keeping the shoulders down, and again. Inhale on the stretch here and exhale down. To turn to the corner, so twisting at the waist, feeling that twist in the spine, turning our ball over and taking it round to the other side, following the ball. One more time on each side. Moving on to our hip joints, we're going to bring our hands to the side and heel out forwards, taking the toe back, heel forwards, and toe back. And again. So feel that in the hip joint, loosening off. Let's step down. And the other side. Forwards, heel and back on the toe. And again. Opening up the hips. We're going to push to the side and tap this foot out. Feel an opening of the hip here. And stepping down. And again. To the other side. Onto our knees, we are going to stand in parallel stance, with the feet a little bit turned out. We're shifting our weight, we're going to tap into our empty stance, and let's just add a punch here, keeping the elbows soft, opposite hand forwards, stepping to the side, sinking the weight and tapping forwards, bringing it back, and again, tapping it forwards, bringing it back. Tap. We're going to develop that into a kick. So we're just punching forwards and the leg is extending out. You don't have to do this extension. Further movements for the legs here. Heel toe forwards into your bow stance and add that punch. We're bringing it back, rocking the weight and stepping to the side. Heel toe forwards, alternating those legs. And again, heel toe punch. Final one. Moving on to our ankles. So again, just a slightly turned out foot for our supporting leg. We're just going to place our heel and toe and heel and toe, heel and toe. Let's go to the other side. Sink the weight, good supporting leg, heel and toe, and heel, and toe, and heel, and toe. going to do the same thing, but we're turning this foot in and out, and in and out, in and out. Other way, in and out, in and out, and in and out. I like to just shake the legs, shake the arms, feeling a lot looser. Let's just do one big inhale, all the way to the ceiling, bringing it down. Step in, and we are ready for our Tai Chi practice. Guys, the Tai Chi for Health Institute's programs are a really effective way to learn Tai Chi, and their programs are designed to offer modifications and progressions to suit anyone, any fitness level and any age. So do check them out. If you have a local instructor, I'd really recommend them. This was their Tai Chi for Health Institute's warm-up exercise. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.